Good morning everyone. On behalf of research team of Axis Securities, we'll talk about the market outlook. Firstly, the domestic markets are expected to open on a flat note. SGX Nifty is trading flattish. On the corporate front, Dr. Reddy's has announced that audit of Srikakulam plant completed. It has received establishment inspection report from US FDA. Also, Capacite Infra Project shares to start trading on the stock exchanges after IPO. Shares allotted at Rs 250 per share. On the thematic front, we talk about the packaging space and our pick in that space, which is Moltech Packaging. They had posted consolidated revenues of 90 crore due to increased contribution from food and FMCG segment and huge growth in RAK plant sales. However, there was a GST impact felt on paints and lubes volumes due to G-stocking. EBITDA per kg was at all-time high of Rs 33 versus Rs 28 YOY due to the food and FMCG segment contributing 15% to the overall revenues in Q1 FY18 versus 4% YOY. With further penetration into these high margin markets, the future prospects of MTPL are bright. On the technical front, Nifty started the week on a flat note and remained consolidated for most part of the week. However, Friday's sell-off led index to close near week's low. Nifty closed at 9964 with a loss of 121 points on weekly basis. The chart pattern suggests that if Nifty breaks and sustains above 9950 levels, it would witness selling, which would lead the index towards 9870 to 9840 levels. However, if index crosses above 10,000 levels, it would witness buying, which would take the index towards 10,060 to 10,100 levels. Nifty is trading below 20-day SMAs, which is important short-term moving averages, indicating negative bias in the short term. Stocks positive: Vakranji, FDC, HCL Tech, Wipro. And stocks which are weak, which look weak: DHFL, Chambal Fertilizers, IGL, L&T Housing Finance, DBL, Oro Pharma, Voltas. On the currency front, USD INR opened with an upward gap but witnessed profit booking for most part of the session, which led it to close on flat note. USD INR closed at 64.83 with loss of 0.02%. For the day, if USD INR trades and sustains above 64.9 levels, then it may move further upwards towards 65 to 65.1 levels. On the downside, an immediate intraday support is around 64.75 levels. On the derivatives front, Nifty futures lost 1.54% on Friday's session, with increase in OI to the tune of 2.4%, indicating short builder position. It closed at a premium of 18.6 points. India VIX was seen bouncing back sharply from 11.3 levels to close at 12.81 levels, which is indicating a tough fight for bulls to sustain index at fresh highs. FIs remain aggressive in cash and hedging their position by increasing the exposure in index long by 8.6%. As we enter the expiry week, looking at the OI data, expiry can be expected in the range of 9900 to 10,050 levels as of now. Long build-up was seen in Wipro, short build-up was seen in HCC, Reliance Capital and Union Bank. So this is from our end. Thank you.